families, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about a topic that's coming up in our 4th grade Go Math curriculum. Our next chapter, Go Math Chapter 4, is all about division. Now, most of us know division in the long division, traditional or standard algorithm sense. But when you look at the 4th grade standard, what it's asking us to do is look at solving division problems using different strategies, including place value, properties of operations, and relationship between multiplication and division. This standard also calls for students to explain and illustrate their calculations using equations, rectangular arrays, and other models. So what I want to do is show you one of the models that we explicitly teach. So let's say I have a division problem such as 369 divided by 3 equals what? One thing I can do to solve this problem is use a quick pick. So watch what happens. I'm going to start by taking 369 and drawing it as a quick pick. Quick picks are something we do starting right in 1st grade. So by the time kids get to 4th grade, they should know exactly how to do this. I start by writing out my hundreds. When I draw hundreds as a quick pick, I draw them as flats. So I have 3 flats to represent my 300s. I have 6 in the tens place. So when I draw tens as a quick pick, I'm drawing 10 sticks. So I'm going to draw 6. In my ones place, I have a 9. When I draw ones as a quick pick, it looks like a dot. So I'm going to draw 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have my quick pick showing 369, and I need to divide it by 3. So I'm going to take my 3 and actually make 3 circles or boxes, whatever you prefer. And I'm physically going to take each of the place values represented in my quick pick and I am going to put them in a different circle. So I'm going to take 100 and put it here. I'm going to take another 100 and put it here. My third 100 and put it there. Now I'm going to move on to my tens and I'm going to put 110 there, 110 there, 110 there, 110 back in the first one, and I'm going to do this into equal groups. So one thing we really stress with our students is that division is dividing into equal groups. We may have some left over, which is our remainder, but we need to make sure that when we're done, even if there is a remainder, that what's in each group is equal. So let me finish with my ones. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 1, and 1. So now that I've sorted all my components of my quick pick, all I have to do now is take one of the circles and find out how many are in that first circle. So in this circle, quick pick, I have 100, I have 2 tens, and I have 3 ones. So I know that 369 divided by 3 is 123. That's it. Okay, so I just showed you what division looks like using quick picks and sorting those quick picks into equal groups, so the components of the quick picks into equal groups. The last example I did, there was no remainder. So what I'd like to do now is show you what it looks like if there is a remainder. So again, I'm going to model my dividend, my larger of the two numbers that's being divided by the divisor, and I'm going to model it with quick picks. Remember, our tens are sticks, 6 tens, 6 sticks. And then our ones are dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, my dividend in quick picks, and then I'm going to take my divisor and I'm going to make that many groups. So in this case, I have 2 groups. So what I'm going to do now, remember, emphasis on division being divided equally among groups, is I'm going to take my tens and I'm going to sort those into the 2 groups. So if I put 1 in here, I put 1 there. If I put 1 here, I put 1 there. If I put 1 here, I put 1 there. So my tens divided evenly. Let's try the ones. So I'm going to put a 1 here, cross it out. 1 here, cross it out. So far, still equal. 1 here, cross it out. 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 And I have 1 left. Because I cannot put 1 in each group, I have to consider that as my remainder, because division is dividing into equal groups. I can't put that here because then the groups will no longer be equal. So I would actually, again, take my first one, change my quick pick back into numerals. So this is 1, 2, 3 tens and 3 ones, and I have a remainder of 1. the cool thing about remainders is I can do lots of different things with them. Later on in chapter 4, we're going to get into all the different things you can do with remainders. You can not count them. You can report them as fractions. You can round up if you need more. But for now, taking this, using a quick pick with a remainder, we would just report it as remainder 1. That's it.